Set of corners in 3D shapes. How many set of corners can you count in a sphere?
Fact findings: a sphere has no or zero corners.
How many set of corners can you count in a cylinder?
Fact findings: a cylinder has no or zero corners.
How many set of corners can you count in a cube?
Fact findings: a cube has 8 corners.
How many set of corners can you count in a pyramid?
Fact findings: a pyramid has 4 corners.
How many set of corners can you count in a cone?
Fact findings: a cone has 1 corner.
How many set of corners can you count in a diamond?
Fact findings: a diamond has 6 corners. Cylinder shape matches the battery cell. Sphere shape matches the ball. Cube shape matches the ice cube. Cone shape matches the ice cream cone. The diamond shape matches the kite. The pyramid shape matches the buildings.
Basic shapes. How many shapes can you name their number of sides and corners? This is circle. A circle has 0 corners and 0 sides. This is an oval. It has 0 corners and 0 sides. This is a square. A square has 4 corners and 4 sides. It is a rectangle. It has 4 corners and 4 sides. This is a triangle. It has 3 corners and 3 sides. This is a hexagon. It has 6 corners and 6 sides. It is a pentagon. It has 5 corners and 5 sides. This is an octagon. It has 8 corners and 8 sides. It is a rhombus. It has 4 corners and 4 sides. And this is trapezoid. It has 4 corners and 4 sides.